Mabuhay, MIMAROPA! This is Lance Mercado, and here's how to make a tasty and nourishing potato cheese roll as demonstrated in this video. But before that, did you know that potatoes are a good source of essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and dietary fiber, which are important for overall health and well-being? Kaya tara, simulan na natin! Before you start cooking, it's essential to prioritize safety and sanitation. Remember to wash your hands, clean work area, check appliances, separate cutting boards. Use separate cutting boards for raw meats and vegetables to prevent cross-contamination, safe food handling, and cook thoroughly. Prioritizing safety and sanitation in your kitchen is important to protect your health and enjoy the cooking process. Always maintain a clean and safe environment while preparing delicious meals. For this recipe, we will need 500 grams of peeled potatoes, 165 grams of cheese, half cup of cooked ham, 1/4 cup of spring onion, 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, and 4 cups of water for boiling and 1 cup of cooking oil for frying. For our first step, kailangan lang natin pakuluan itong ating peeled potatoes at palambutin. Kapag ganito na siya, we can mash the potato using our fork. Kapag ganito na siya, we can add all the remaining ingredients. Mix until well incorporated, and we will shape it like a corn dog, just like this. Next is we will dip it sa ating egg para mas kumapit ang ating breadcrumbs. If you want also smaller bites, you can shape it like this. And we will start frying. That's it. O, diba? Very easy and very healthy potato cheese roll. And perfect din ito kung may dip tayo.